Korean stocks remain calm despite an array of hawkish comments from top officials at the U.S. Federal Reserve indicating a possible rate hike in the coming weeks. Shares on Wall Street, however, wavered on the news. Hwang Ji-hye has the numbers and more.
Korea's benchmark Kospi inched up 0.05% on Friday, recovering earlier losses seen at market opening. And local shares remained relatively calm to signals that a tighter U.S. monetary policy could come as early as next month. New York Fed President and permanent FOMC voting member William Dudley said a rate hike in the summer, either June or July, would be a reasonable expectation. On top of Dudley's remarks, Richmond Fed President Jeffrey Lacker told Bloomberg Radio that there is a strong case for a rate hike in June. The comments echoed the minutes from the Fed's April meeting that were released earlier in the week, opening the door for a rate increase next month. This surprised investors who were forecasting the top Fed officials would wait until September, facing sluggish recovery momentum.
The market has to reprice its estimates for what the Fed's going to do this year. I think we came into the week believing the Fed had June off the table and probably wouldn't raise rates until September. And after we read the minutes and listened to several Fed speakers over the last couple of days, it's, the belief is June is getting closer. It's probably July, but the market hadn't had that priced in, so we're getting a repricing of that.
Wall Street remained jittery after the hawkish comments, with the S&P 500 on Thursday falling to its lowest point since March. Hwang Ji-hye, Arirang News.